Good afternoon, viewers. You're watching the reporting news with me, Sylviana Sagita. I'm from Universitas Bunda Mulia. Today, we'll dive into a hot topic that's sparking discussion worldwide: artificial intelligence or AI, and its impact on the world of work. Is AI threat to human labor or does it bring new opportunities? Let's explore together. I will discuss with segment 1, what is AI and why is it popular. First, let's understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to technology that enables machines to think, learn, and perform tasks like humans. A simple example we use daily is virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. However, AI's application have grown rapidly, from data analysis to self-driving cars. According to a McKinsey report, global investment in AI reached over $94 billion in 2023 and continue use in each area. Segment number 2, the positive impact of AI. It's undeniable that AI offers numerous benefits in a workplace. AI improves efficiency and productivity. For instance, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots can work 24/7 without fatigue, producing goods with high precision. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing disease faster. AI technology is even being used in detect cancer at early stage, saving thousands of lives every year. Moreover, AI creates a new job opportunities such as data scientists, AI engineers, and ethical AI officers, roles that didn't exist few years ago. Segment 3, challenge and risk. On the other hand, there are concerns that AI might replace human workers. A study from Oxford University suggests that about 47% of jobs are at risk of automation within the next 20 years. For example, in the transportation sector, autonomous vehicles could threaten jobs for taxi and truck drivers. Similarly, in customer service, chatbots are increasingly replacing human roles. Additionally, ethical challenges arise. What happens if AI is misused, such as creating fake news or deepfakes? Who will be accountable if an AI decision leads to significant losses? Segment 4, the future and hope. Despite this challenge, the future of AI remains hopeful. The key is how we, as humans, adapt to this change. Education and workforce retraining are essential to stay relevant in this technological era. In some countries, governments are already running programs to teach digital skills to younger generation. It's also crucial to ensure that AI development adheres to strong ethical principles so this technology genuinely benefits humanity. So, viewers, do you see AI as a threat or an opportunity? One thing is clear: this technology has become a part of our lives, and the challenge is how we can use it wisely. So, thank you for watching me today. Don't forget to stay tuned for the next exciting news. I'm Sylviana Sagita. I'm signing off, and I'm from University Bunda Mulia. And see you next time. Bye-bye!